Hello guys, welcome to channel Make to IT, and today we are going to see the project overview here in this video only, and in the next video we're going to implement this whole project. Okay, and this project is will be you can add in your resume directly saying that you was working on this project in a company. Okay, so right, you are a DevOps engineer, that's why you are watching this video, or you want to be a DevOps engineer, that's why you are here, right? So this video is really for you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing here, or what like in this Oreo, you can see this whole server or whatever the server we have required here, we are going to create with the help of AWS. Okay, and these are the DevOps tool like Jenkins, Ansible, Docker. It is a DevOps tool. So we will have the Jenkins for Jenkins we will have the server 1, for Ansible we will have the server 2, and for Docker we will have the server 3. And we have to establish the communication between these three server. Okay, so we have to provision this server basically, and we have to integrated this service, this software or this tool for deployment to achieve the automation. Okay, so we have to integrate this tool each other, then only we can achieve the continuous integration and continuous deployment, right? So we're going to create this server with the help of AWS. Okay, and for that we have to write playbooks. For that, to build the image we have to write the Docker file, and then we are going to put that our source code in deployment in a Docker container. Okay, and that's how you can able to able to see your website online. Okay, so let's discuss like how the flow actually looks like, and what are the steps that we are going to see in the next video, and that video might be the length of 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I'm going to implement this in the next video. But here, just make sure that you watching this video first, then only you will get the idea that what we are going to build over here there, right? So let's discuss. This is the developer that you are a DevOps engineer. So this is your responsibility. This is not your responsibility at all. So what developer does? A developer write this code, and once the changes is made in his branch, then he generate the PR. Then the PR is generated one after the approved from his colleague. Then the developers merge the changes in GitHub. Okay, from GitHub to deployment your work will start, right? So once the merge changes has merged to the main repository, that time what will happen, like what we are going to build here, that time with the help of policy and feature in Jenkins, or build will trigger, and the build will up once the build is triggered, then it will execute the playbook, and with the help of that playbook we generate the artifact, and the artifact will uh, create in that workplace. And with the help of the next step is there in the pipe Jenkins pipeline, we have just write the execute the Docker file as well. With the help of that Docker file that generated artifact, we're going to create the image of that, and that with the help of that this Docker file which build this image to uh, as a container, and then container you can see your we expose the port, and with the help of that port you can able to see your website online. Okay, so here we Ansible playbook is one of the most important thing over here, and we're going to write the playbook as well, where we just provision the server 1, server 2, and server 3 by creating the groups in an inventory file, that is a host file. Okay, so that this project is going to be really going to be tough, as well as it might take time to build. And once you build this project, you are able to able to write the points in your resume for switching a jobs in the off field, right? So so that will going to be really going to help you. So hope guys you got the idea like what we are going to build in the next video, and yeah, this is the case. And so I think hope you got my point, that what I want to say you. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Please share and subscribe our channel, and just stay tuned over here, that we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching guys.